To add expression to your score, select a note, hold the Command modifier on Mac or the Control modifier on Windows, and press the letter E. This will display a flashing cursor below the first selected note. Now we can add the expression we like. For example, if I wanted to add mezzo piano, hold down the Command key and then press MP. This works the same way if I wanted to add a forte symbol. Select a note, press Command E and Command F. Adding a crescendo between these two dynamic symbols is as easy as selecting a note and pressing H for hairpin. If I wanted to add a diminuendo, I can press Shift H. These are just a few simple shortcuts to remember to help you while using Sibelius. Watch our other Sibelius videos if you wish to know more.